Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Farwat'S Kitchen. In today's video I will show you how to make these coconut balls using only 2 main ingredients. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. The ingredients required for this recipe are 2 cups of coconut, around a half a cup of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Okay, I'm not going to use all the condensed milk in that can. Just measure around a half a cup of it. Food colorings, you can use food colorings of your choice, be it green, red, orange, yellow, and some coconut for garnishing. So I'll start by adding condensed milk in the coconut. Mix well until well combined. And then divide it. You can divide it into portions and add food coloring of your choice. So as you can see there, I have 3 portions. In one portion I have added bright red. Okay, it looks like pink but it's red. And I have orange and yellow. Okay, orange and yellow seems like one color, but that is orange and yellow. And then make rounds like so and garnish with coconut. And after that, your coconut balls are ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.